Summer has finally arrived, bringing golden sunshine but leaving your bank account completely empty. You stare at your phone screen, watching the numbers stay at zero. You need cash fast, and the clock is ticking. Don't worry, because here are 10 proven ways to turn your summer into a massive payday. First, take a long look at your closet. It is a gold mine waiting to be discovered. Sort your clothes into organized piles of what stays and what goes. Photograph every item in bright, natural light to make them pop. Post them on resale apps with catchy descriptions. When that notification finally pings, pack the item carefully in a box and drop it at the post office. Second, offer pet sitting services to your community. Reach out to all your neighbors who are planning their summer travels. Take their dogs for a long, energetic walk through the park. Snap a cute photo of the happy pet and send it to the owner. It builds trust and keeps the business coming back to you. Third, start washing cars right in your own driveway. Grab a heavy bucket, a soft sponge, and plenty of soap. Scrub the wheels and the body until they shine like new under the sun. A clean car brings instant cash and a great sense of satisfaction for both you and the customer. Fourth, clean windows for your local shops. Walk into a store with confidence and a professional squeegee in hand. Offer to clear the thick grime and dust from their glass storefronts. Shop owners love a clear view for their customers, and they are usually happy to pay for the immediate improvement. Fifth, get out there and mow lawns. Push the mower in perfectly straight lines across the green grass. Trim the edges carefully with sharp shears to give it that professional finish. It is hard work, but the sight of a perfectly manicured yard is worth every drop of sweat and every dollar earned. Sixth, offer to clean out gutters. Climb the ladder carefully, ensuring your footing is secure. Scoop out the leaves and debris that have gathered over the months. It is a job that most people absolutely hate doing themselves, which makes your service incredibly valuable and highly profitable during the summer months. Seventh, host a massive yard sale. Drag all those old boxes to the front lawn where everyone can see them. Put clear price tags on everything you no longer need. Watch the crowd and count the coins and bills as people walk away happy with your old stuff. It is a quick way to declutter. Eighth, sign up for local delivery apps. Hop on your bike and feel the wind as you navigate the streets. Pick up the fresh orders from the local restaurants and zip through traffic. Drop the bag at the customer's door with a smile. The tips can really add up when you are fast and reliable. Ninth, help your neighbors organize their cluttered garages. Sort through the tools, sweep the dusty floor until it is spotless, and stack the heavy boxes neatly against the walls. Creating order out of chaos is a skill that people are willing to pay for, especially when they want their space back. 10th, teach a skill you love. If you play guitar or speak another language, post a flyer. Meet your student in the park and teach that first lesson. Sharing knowledge is the most rewarding way to earn. By the end of the summer, your wallet will be full. You started with absolutely nothing. Now, you have the tangible results of your hard work. Enjoy your success.